Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the week, but actually I have two of them. I have to show you another one. But here's one from the AI Awesome Alert. Look at this, to short SAVA, S-A-V-A. The alert happened at 57.85. There's a down arrow. There's the candle it happened in the 15-minute. And look what it did before it even had any sort of a bounce, from 57.85 all the way down to 51 before it bounced. There was really no, I mean, you had a little bit of a topping tail there. So, you know, you may have wanted to take some out here and then kept in the trade all the way here. And then, of course, as this is starting to happen, you probably want to be out of the trade, at least most of the trade. I mean, who knows? Maybe this is just a momentary pull-up and it might continue down. But just an awesome alert from the AI for SAVA. But I also have to tell you about this trade, TWOU, which is still working. And this came from my 10-day daily breakdown. You can see it right here, 9:30 at 11:70. Now, I typically do not take the trade right away. I like to see things settle down just a little bit. This was an earnings play, and it was getting closer and closer to its all-time low. It's at an all-time low now. So I ended up taking this trade at not at 11:70, but at about 11:55. Right about here, and then I covered a little bit under 11 just in case it was going to pop back over 11, and that's it. And I'm still in the rest of my trade. There is no reason to get out of this. I mean, if I showed you this on a 5-minute chart, let me show you on a 5-minute chart. I mean, look at this, a little bit of a base here, a little bit of a move up here, but nothing much, a little bit of a base. I mean, there's no giant green candles to, you know, kind of whip you out of a trade, and then, you know, the next candle is red and you're, you know, ticked off because you got stopped out because of this green candle. Not this one, but a giant one. Super orderly. Let me take a look at a 2-minute chart. Even on a 2-minute chart, you know, normally you get a lot more whip, down, little pause, down, pause, down, pause. This is the only time we had a little bit of a lift, and that I was actually waiting to see if it was going to take out 10, and it didn't, so I kept in the trade. And, you know, little move here, but nothing, but not giant. You know, not giant green candles to whip you out of a trade. So this is the type of trade you want to be in because it's orderly and you can keep in the trade a long time and without fear of being whipped out. You got to watch it. You got to keep watching it. You know, out of nowhere, obviously, you know, something could happen. But man, oh man, what a great trade. Many in the trading were in that one. So, guys, the test drive starts on Monday. So you'll see in the email you're getting, you'll see a way. Just take a look at the February test drive. Click on the link, sign up. We do this about 2 or 3 or 4 times a year. It costs you $11.11 to have full premium service except for auto trading, okay? You can auto trade in our simulation mode, the AI, or your own strategies, just not live. Whew, what a day. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern time, so hope to see you then. Bye-bye.